Let Cody Pools build your dream pool today. Cody Pools is the nation's #1 pool builder, as voted by Pool & Spa News for the 10th year in a row in 2022. We offer full design, build, and construction of custom, residential, and commercial pools in Texas. Our conveniently located showrooms are stocked with pool tiles and finishes for you to pick out a design that you absolutely love. Established in 1994, we've built over 30,000 residential and commercial swimming pools in Texas, including in the greater Austin, San Antonio, and Houston surrounding areas. Cody Pools has built our reputation as a premier pool builder and contractor by exceeding our customers' expectations, delivering on time and on budget. We do this with our experience, uncompromising quality, award-winning designs, and industry leadership. With our free in-home quote offer, why not have Cody Pools come out and give you a free estimate or second opinion? Visit CodyPools.com to browse our design gallery of award-winning pool designs. Explore all the shapes, sizes, design features, and more available for your new backyard oasis. Cody Pools, making your dream a reality.